Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. Okay, so yesterday was a little bit challenging, wasn't it? Adding three numbers for the first time. But you know what? Challenges are good because they make us stronger. We're going to keep practicing and we're going to get this. Don't you worry. But before we go there, I want to talk about just a couple things. I have a number right here, the number 6. And earlier in the year we talked about this, but I want to go back to it. One more and one less. And when I say one more, I mean one more than the number 6. What is one more than the number 6? 7, right? Okay, what is one less than the number 6? That would be 5. Very good. So we have this 6. When I say one more, it just means to count on one more to the next number. When I say one less, it means to count back to the number before it. Okay? Now also, yesterday we talked a little bit about making hash marks. I'm going to show you how to make 6 as a hash mark. So 6 will look like this. Remember our hash marks, they're just lines. So I'm going to make 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember there was something special we did for number 5 when we bundled them together? Do you remember what that was? Bundle it up across. So there's 5. And add one more, and now this is 6. So this is one way to show 6. This is another way to show 6. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's get to our challenge. We have been doing really well so far this year, and now we find ourselves looking up a tall mountain of math. And we go, oh no, there's 3 numbers on that mountain. Well, let's take it one step at a time, okay? When you're given 3 numbers, you're given a choice. So say I'm given this. 6 plus 4 plus 2, because look, it can be this way as well. It can be written out this way, or it could be this way. It's alright, same thing. So now we have 6, 4, and 2. It's your choice which 2 add-ins you're going to add together first. Which 2 are you going to add together first? Now, I always try to make a 10. That's what my goal is, because once I reach 10, adding some more ones to it is pretty easy, because all it does is replace the 0, right, in 10. So let's see. We have 6 plus 4 plus 2. You know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to use dots. I'm going to just put our dots down and see. So let's make 6 dots. Let's make 4 dots for the 4. And then we're going to make 2 more dots for the 2. So here's my 6. Let's add 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that, I made a 10. And add 2 more. 10 plus 2. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. And that's one way to do it with our dots there. Another way to do it is like this. We'll do another. You know what? We'll do 6 plus 4 plus 2 again. Now with the dots we got 12. Let's see if we get the same thing this way. This time I'm going to add 4 and 2 first. And I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to put a line going this way and a line going this way. That shows that they're coming together, and then the total is going to be here. 4 plus 2. So we have 4, and we can count on 2. Let's do our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how quickly I made a number line like that? So because I didn't have one available, I can just write one out. So we're going to start at 4. We're going to make 2 jumps. 1, 2. And we end up at 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now I know I'm going to have to extend this number line out. And there we go. Okay, so now I have my remaining 2 numbers. See, I've already added these 2 together to get 6. Now I have this 6, and I'm going to add this 6, right? They're both 6s. So I've got to start at 6 and then count on 6, right? Let's start at 6, 6 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we land right here on 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. So we just did that problem in 2 different ways, right? 2 different ways. Now, if I could find my cubes, which they're right here, I have to hide them because Bigsby keeps coming by and eating them. So we are going to do 6 plus 4 plus 2 with cubes as well. So here's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll need 2. 1, 2. Okay. 6 plus 4. 6. And I don't have to go all the way back because I already know I have 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. And add 2 more. 11, 12. Look at that. Did it with the cubes as well. Just grabbed the cubes to help me out. Alright. So, we've done it a number of different ways, adding 3 numbers. Take it slow. Right? Add 2 of them together first, then bring the third addend on. Okay? Don't overwhelm yourself and look at the 3 numbers and think you have to put them all in one group at the same time. No, you don't have to do that. That might work for some, but it won't work for everybody. Find the best strategy for you for adding 3 numbers. Okay? Think of the best one that works for you, because all of our minds are a little bit different. What works for some of us won't work for others. Okay? So I want you to figure out what is best for you. Alright? Let's see. Let's do this. 5 plus 4 plus 5. Ooh, let me move this down. So now I've got this 5 plus 4 plus 5. Now, I said earlier I like to find numbers that make a 10 because to me it makes it easier. Then I get to add a number to 10 and it's easy for me. You know, 5 plus 5. Look at that. I have a 5 here and I have a 5 here. And what is 5 plus 5? We know our double stacks. That's right. It's 10. Now we have 4 plus 10. What is 4 plus 10? Well, when we add something to the 10 that's just some ones, we take that and replace that 0. So if I just replace that 0, plug it in, it's just 14. Just like that. 5 plus 4 plus 5 equals 14. Okay, so let me get you some practice pages. I'm going to have you turn to page 138 in your chapter 3 book. It's right here, 138. We've got all these lovely problems. And what they want you to do is choose 2 addends and solve. And then in the next one, choose to start with 2 different addends and solve. Right? So if this one you go 6 plus 4 first and then add 2. And then this one you'd have to choose different ones. You'd maybe 4 plus 2 and then add 6. So you're going to do it 2 different ways. And we'll do this page as well. All through. Here you write the missing. You know what? Actually on the bottom, if you want to, that's the challenge question. You can do that if you want. But it might be a little bit confusing right now. So you don't have to. That one's optional. Okay? And then we'll turn the page to 148 and get some more practice right there. 148. Alright? Alright, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for math. I will see you next time. Have fun.